everyone, it's Natalie from nellydesign.com. Today I want to talk to you about the new 7.9 version of Cricut Design Space. So if you don't have it already, no panic, it will be rolling out in the next couple of days. I'm lucky I have it already, so I want to show you the new feature that is called Monogram. So I don't know if you like Monogram, but this new button right here is super helpful and it will make monograms in a blink. Seriously. First of all, I want to tell you that the monogram feature is only available in the desktop version of Cricut Design Space for now. And also, if you click on it, you're going to see that this is a Cricut Access membership only feature. So if you're not a Cricut Access member, you'll be able to play around with it, but you won't be able to cut it. But if you want, you'll have a free trial of Cricut Access, a 1-month free trial. I'll put the link in the description of this video for you to have the free trial. So I want to show you all about this. It's so easy. If you love Monogram, you'll see how easy it is to make. So first of all, you'll have the operation type selection. So if we want to do a cut or a cut and draw, you'll have both here, or you can do any. So you're going to see all of them. So I'm going to keep it on any so we see everything that is available. And I'm going to put my initials. Just know that you can put up to 4 letters. So let's say you have a wedding. That is so cool. I thought of that. So maybe it's a wedding N plus N. So original. So you could do a monogram like this and have a lot of other options. So for now, I'm just going to put my initials, which are ND, and I'm going to show you a little bit around. So I just want you to notice that you have classic and thematic. Classic is modern, elegant, handwritten, and vintage. So you have a lot like this. And what you'll find is all the fonts are, the textiles are down there. And you have some frames that you can add right here. What I want you to notice is that the little symbol that says cut, and this is cut and draw. So you can always know which one you're clicking on. So you see this one is pretty cool. It's a elegant theme, and there's no possibility of adding a frame for this one. But any other one, you can really click here. And if you want to see more frames, that is not something that you might know firsthand. So I want to tell you, you really need to click on this little arrow right here, or click on the last one, and you're going to see more of them. You see, so if I go like this, and this is the last one. I just want to tell you because this is not really obvious. Vintage, also cool, and also frames right here. So let's go to thematics. Thematic is the opposite of classic. For classic, you have the frame here and the fonts right here. For thematics, you have the font here and the frames here. Don't ask me why. I really don't know. So this one is botanical. I love this one. It's so beautiful. And there are many more. And if I go down, you have decorative occasions. So graduations, Valentine's Day, pumpkins and everything. Interest, dog, pretty cool. These are very awesome. Oh, look at the heart right here. Super cool. And sports. Sports have a little of them, baseball, hockey, and etc. So I'm going to go back to botanical. I'm going to insert one. Let's insert this one because I love it so much. So if I scale it a little bit, I just want to show you that once it's inserted, it's really grouped and you have all the different layers. So you can still play around with it. So let's say I'm going to ungroup it to be able to play around with each and every layers. So if I don't want the little dots here, I could already close the layers, or you see whatever I want. So I could use contour on it. I could do anything I do with other design. The only thing I cannot do is modify the text because this is not a text anymore. This is an object. So if I double click on it, nothing happens. But I could really use the text, write something else if I want to, and still use the flowers. So that's kind of fun. So I could close this layer and write my whole name and put it right here because it's so beautiful. Also, one thing that you can do is change the color. So let me just insert another one. So I'm going to insert this one that is drawn because I think that changing the color is really important when you're drawing something. If you're using a pen and this is not orange, so let's say that it's hard to find. So let's say that these won't be orange, that they will be I have a raspberry pen. Let's put it raspberry. So when my Cricut really asks me put in the raspberry pen in the Cricut, I will know that it's to draw these and I will put the right pen. If not, you're going to be all mixed up. You're not going to know which one is which, and the colors are going to end up all messy. So that's it for my tips. I hope you enjoyed the monogram, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.